Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to get a Zopa credit card online. So this is really quick and easy once you know exactly where to go. So first up, head over to the Zopa website and at the top, simply click on borrow. Then click credit cards. So this is then going to take you to their main credit card page. So here's what's cool about Zopa. You can literally do an instant eligibility check without affecting your credit score. So this allows you to see your rates up front. Right now, they start at 29.2% with a representative APR of 34.9%. And you also get all the tools you need to manage it straight from their app. And once you're ready, simply click Apply Online. You then need to fill in some personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and some employment and income details. So it's nothing crazy, just the usual stuff. Next, Zopa will then give you an instant eligibility result, so you know pretty much immediately if you're likely to be approved. The best part, this doesn't mess with your credit score at all. And if you get the green light, your card gets sent straight to your door and you can actually start managing everything through the Zopa app. So you can check your balance, view your PIN, track your spending, set up automatic payments, even put some of your available credit aside with their credit cushion feature for emergencies. And that's it. So that's literally all you need to do to get a Zopa credit card online. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.